The other day I woke up to one of the most beautiful misty mornings I had ever seen. The fog was low and settling over the calm waters of the estuary leading into the river. The light was shining through the mist, giving both a mystical and almost eerie feeling. It was truly beautiful, so I just had to grab my camera and capture some moments from the morning. As I walked down Little Woodland path, the traveller's joy was almost glistening in the light, the fluffy seeds of the plant looking like something out of a fairy tale. This plant is often called old man's beard and is actually a woody member of the buttercup family. The seeds cluster and have this feather appearance and are white to grey in colour. This plant is also an important food plant for many moths, such as the chalk carpet moth or the small emerald. The woody stems of this plant actually used to be used to make baskets in the past, and one of the reasons it's called Traveller's Joy is due to its appearance, covering hedgerows during the winter and autumn months. As I went further, the little perfectly sphere dewdrops settled on silky spiders' webs caught my eye. Some almost looked like a string of pearls, and others had settled on a cluster of web in a little leaf which almost looked like a cup of diamonds in the light. I could see the little rainbows in the sphere dewdrops. It really was a magical moment to be a part of. The patterns and different shapes of the spiders' webs were so beautiful. The more I looked, the more I found, all unique and different in their own way. Spiders' webs are pretty amazing. The spider produces its silk through silk glands. These special organs are known as the spinnerets, and they create the silk, which is actually a natural fibre made out of protein. These spinnerets are located in the abdomen, usually on the underside or rear, and at the end of the spinnerets are nozzle-like structures called spigots, which enable the single silk thread to come out. Some spiders can produce more than one type of silk, meaning some webs may contain different kinds of silk which all add a different component and structure to the web. There are some species that can even produce silk that is translucent and therefore low in UV reflection. This makes it harder for the insects to see it. The spider species found in the UK usually produce a white or bluish colour silk, but some species actually produce silk that looks almost gold or green in colour. Spider silk is delicate, but it is also incredibly strong and lightweight. A strand of silk long enough to go all the way around the earth would still only weigh 500 or less than 500 grams. And the silk is actually as strong as the material utilised for bulletproof vests. My favourite webs are those produced by orb weaver spider species, such as the European garden spider. These build the beautiful spiral wheel-shaped webs. Not all spiders use webs to catch their prey. Crab spiders use the element of surprise, waiting for passing insects to land on flowers before ambushing the prey. Or jumping spiders follow their prey before leaping on it. Although the jumping spiders will also make a little sleeping bag-like web with silken cells to hide in during the day. This misty morning was truly wonderful, and another one of nature's moments I will not forget.